Welcome to the Marshall Pruett podcast, presented by Cooper Tires. We have one of my favorite things, which you've probably heard me speak about before, and that is the qualifying session for IMSA's WeatherTech SportsCar Championship GTLM category. It is a small window in time where we have no other cars from no other classes, and we just get to hear the pure audio brilliance and the differences between the vehicles competing against one another for pole position. I love this class beyond its awesome factory angle, purely for the sounds. We have BMW twin turbo V8 with its inverted intake and exhaust. Sounds like an alien spaceship going by. We have Corvette, its naturally aspirated V8, just the world shaking in response to this car. We have Ford in its twin turbo V6, which also sounds like nothing else on the planet. And then we have the best sounding race car competing today, Porsche's 911 RSR, its 4-liter flat 6-cylinder, trumpets of the gods. So this is at Mid-Ohio during the stop there in early May, and I start out here recording just as the cars are coming downhill from turn 5, slowing, braking for turn 6, and so I was over near that general section to start this roughly 10-minute session, then moved over towards turn 7. So coming out of turn 6, they power, go away, head up over the hill, and you'll hear, especially the Porsches, get a little bit light, get some wheel spin. It's just glory. It's pure glory. So that's why I love IMSA qualifying sessions, running out in particular with my audio recorder just for the GTLM cars, because I figure if I love the sound of it, hopefully you'll love the sound of it as well. You know you can get every episode of the Marshall Pruett podcast on iTunes, on Podbean, also on Google Play, on Spotify, through Stitcher and a lot of other aggregators, and also on our Marshall Pruett podcast Facebook page. Everything I post goes up there immediately. All right, let's get going with a quick GTLM qualifying session presented to you by Cooper Tires.
Right.
I don't know, certainly 17s I would think. That'd be a lot.
And that was, with a little bit of Porsche air and wheel spin, the pure awesomeness of IMSA's WeatherTech Sports Car Championship GT Le Mans qualifying session. Thank you again to BMW, to Corvette, to Ford, for Porsche as well, just making ears as happy as can be through the pure amazing sounds emanating from the exhausts on their hot rods. All right, I'm Marshall Pruett. This is a Marshall Pruett podcast presented by Cooper Tires. Thank you for listening.